Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a bunch of entries that I've received. I'm going to try to fit in as many as I can because you guys, I have been getting entries literally every single day and I am so blessed and so appreciative. I cannot believe the amount of love that you guys are showing me. So I definitely want to get these videos out there. I'm going to try to cram as many as I can. I swear I'm not rushing. I'm just trying to get them out there. And I'm going to either today or tomorrow, I'm not sure when I'm uploading this, I'm going to post each and every one of the entries. I'm going to have pictures on my Instagram. I'm going to do 10 at a time since we can do 10 pictures at a time. So if you haven't seen your entry on my Instagram, it will be up. I just haven't had the chance. So sometimes when I get home, the lighting has been awful and I just want really good pictures on my Instagram and to really show your guys work. So thank you guys so much for entering, for all the amazing entries, the packages, they're amazing. And let's get on with this video before I talk your ears off. So I've opened all of them up, you guys. So none of them are in this packaging. I do my little sneaky peeks. So I received this super cute card and it has this little rainbow heart. And you guys, this is, hold on one second, I don't want to mess up the envelope. So beautiful. Oh, I can't get it out. Okay. And this is from Swati Baral, and she's Swati 2998. You guys already know that I'll have everyone listed down below. She sent me a super cute letter. This is her memory dex card, you guys. Super cute. And then you guys, she made me this beautiful handmade card. You guys, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. I love the size. It's so different. Thank you so much, Swati, for entering my giveaway. She also sent me these super cute handmade little tassels. Absolutely adorable. Thank you so much for those. Now you guys, I'm trying to go as fast as I can because I do have a lot to show you. And I'm hoping I don't mess anybody's entry up because I have like a mess going on here. So we have up next, let's see here. You guys have been spoiling me. So this one right here is from, let's see right here. Nice little card from Jeanette, and she's Pinkalicious Swapper, or Scrapper. Why did I say Swapper? Pinkalicious Scrapper. And let me show you guys what she sent me. She sent me this super cute doodle pop, and you guys, I've been wanting this and I just never ordered it. And you guys, when I saw it, I was so excited. Even the cute little stickers. Thank you so much, girly, for that. She sent me some unicorn gum. My daughter was dying to tear into this and I said no because I've never seen it and I didn't want to give it to her. I know, I'm horrible. You guys, she sent me this cute little mason jar filled with goodies. Thank you so much for this. It's so sweet. I love this packaging. Look how cute the little bow. And it just filled with a bunch of goodies and crinkle paper, as you guys can see. Super fun. Thank you so much. And now on to her entries. So first, let me show you guys her memory dex card. Let me take it out of the packaging. How cute is this card, you guys? Isn't that adorable? I love this die. So cute. And look at that little unicorn stamp. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And then let me show you guys her handmade card. She made me a shaker card. And look at that, you guys. Isn't that beautiful? I absolutely love it. I don't know what paper collection this is. I think it's an Echo Park one. Is this an Echo Park collection, Jeanette? This is beautiful. Thank you so much, girlie, for entering my giveaway. I absolutely love your entry. Let me just keep this together because I don't want to ruin anything. So that's her entry. And then you guys, I got another entry from, okay, let me see. I hope I really didn't mix this up because, let me see here. I gotta see the names on the back. This one is from Tracy Swindle. And this is her handmade card, right? This is her, yep, this is her handmade card. You guys, look at that. So beautiful. Look at her. She's gorgeous. And then this is her memory dex card. Isn't that beautiful? You guys are so talented. I absolutely love all the detail. Everything is so beautiful. Love it. Absolutely love it. Now I'm trying to see. Okay. Then we have this next entry is from Rhonda Gary. Look at all that detail, you guys. This is her memory dex card. And then we have her handmade card. Look at that. Look at that gold mermaid. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you, Rhonda. And thank you, Tracy, for entering my giveaway. Then we have, let's see. This is the name on the back. We have Karen Herrera. And this is her memory dex card. How cute is that? A unicorn face. I love it. Absolutely love it. And this is her handmade card. Also with a little unicorn. I love when you guys make it like a little set. It's absolutely adorable. Now I'm hoping I don't get this wrong. Thank you, Karen, for entering my giveaway. Totally love it. And let me see. Yeah, this is, she also sent me this super cute card. Isn't that adorable? And I think she colored it. Did you color this? So beautiful. And sent me some goodies. She sent me some stickers. How cute are these little Barbie stickers? Never seen these. And these cute little like summer stickers. Thank you so much for the extra goodies, girly. They will definitely be put to use. And then, let's see. Next entry we have here is, let's see. I'm trying to find out, like, because I know the names are in the back, but this is what it looks like. Look at that. I love the little Maggie Holmes inspired bow with all the different colors. Isn't that gorgeous? So we're gonna open this bad boy up. Well, let's cut it. And this is her handmade card. I gotta see who this is from. I have a little note right here. This one is from April, and I'll have her link down below as well. You guys, this is her handmade card. Look at that unicorn. So beautiful. I love the little detail right here with the little gold thread. Look at that. This is gorgeous, girl. And then this is her little memory. Oops. This is her little memory deck card. Yep, she's April Olander Designs on Instagram. And you guys, she made me a super cute little shaker card. Look at that. I love it. The detail, girl. Beautiful. You guys, I cannot wait to show you how my spinner is going to look after putting all these amazing cards on it. It's gonna look amazing. She also sent me some little extra goodies, this cute little bag. Oops. Let's see. She made me some handmade goodies. There's something else in this bag. What is this here? I don't know what this is. Oh, I think there's like some stickers in here. I think she put me some cute little stickers in here. Is that what that is? I don't want to ruin it. But let's try to open it up and see. Yep, some unicorn stickers. Or die cuts, I think. Look, you guys, like the ones that she used. Thank you. I love when you guys share with me. And you guys, look, I think she put some like Wink Stella. Or like glossy accents. Thank you so much for sharing, girlie. They're so cute. I cannot wait to use them. They're so pretty. Okay. She also shared with me these super cute unicorns, you guys. Look at that. These are adorable. I love it. Thank you for those. And you guys, she's not done. She made me some cute little butterflies. Which I recently purchased a Tim Holtz like layering die. And I haven't even used it. I need to make some butterflies. She made me these cute little clips. And she also made me these little embellishments with the little envelopes and the little scallop circles. I love how she decorated all her packaging. Thank you so much for all the extras, April. They will definitely be put to use. You guys are spoiling me. And then, who else do we have here? Let's see. Okay, let's see what we have going on here. I think this is one entry. Yes, I think this is one. So we have this package with all these amazing goodies. And this is from, let's see. Oh, I think this is the one all the way from, yeah, I think this one is, I think this is from like the UK. Yep, Crafting Chant. Crafting, oh, I almost showed you guys my letter. I hope you guys don't see that. But she sent me a super sweet letter. Super cute. And I'll have her tag down below. And I don't want to butcher her name, but I think it's Sanjukta. Sanjukta, did I pronounce that right? If I didn't, I'm sorry. You know, I don't mean any harm. I think it's Sanjukta. Sanjukta. Yes, I think it is. But she's crafting chants on Instagram. No, not Instagram. On YouTube. And, you guys, I'm sorry if I'm all over the place, but there's a lot of these entries that I'm trying to go through. She sent me a bunch of goodies. And here, in this beautiful packaged little envelope that she put for you, you guys, look how adorable this is. She made me a little banner. Look at this. Is this not adorable? I absolutely love this. So cute. And I don't have anything like this. It's so adorable. I can't even stand it. How cute it is. She also made me these cute little envelopes, which are so cute. And I don't know how I never thought to do this, but look, you guys, they're like these little triangles and they're like little envelopes. Is that not like the brightest idea? Like, isn't that amazing? I don't know how I never thought to make these, but I might craft steal your idea and make something like this because I absolutely love it. And she made me another one here. They're super adorable. Thank you so much for sharing with me all your amazing ideas and these goodies. But it doesn't stop there, you guys. She also made me these. And these. And these. totally spoiled me. You guys are amazing. I'm gonna take the banner and put it back right in the packaging because I don't want it to get ruined. I love how she packaged everything. And she's super sweet. She's always emailing me. We've spoken before. I don't want to misplace my little unicorns. And you guys, this is how she packaged up her entry. And here is her gorgeous Memory Dex card. Absolutely beautiful. And here is her handmade card. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much for entering, girly. I appreciate all the extras, all the love you put in this package, because I know you sent a lot of love here. We talk all the time and I totally appreciate it. And let me see where I'm at. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stop here and then I'll just make another video for some more entries. But yeah, you guys, these are some of the entries that have been coming in. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for everybody who is in this video and participated in my giveaway. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.